Welcome back to Founderhood's dashboard, where we are going to examine all the possibilities you have to run an engaging startup program through Founderhood. Let's start by customizing the landing page of our program. Through this section right here, we could customize the name, the type, the venture stages of our program, put a banner on our landing page, insert the industries we are looking for, our organizers, and the deadline of our application process. Now, if we go and preview the landing page, we will see how the landing page of our program looks to the founders that are looking to apply. By clicking on the Setup button on our navigation bar, we can first choose which features we want inside our program, select and deselect which ones we want. By clicking on the Custom Theme, we can insert our program's logo and our program's branding colors to personalize our program's dashboard that the founders and everyone else in the program will see. For example, let's see how this program looks with this logo and these colors. As you can see, the new logo and new colors are being adjusted to the Founderhood dashboard. Next, by clicking on the Groups button on our navigation bar, we can separate the startups inside our program into separate groups. For example, we can simply separate them in the launch startups and then not launch startups. You can create as many groups as you want. To make your program even more engaging, you can host live sessions through the live feature of Founderhood. First, if you go to Settings, you can choose the stream provider that you want. For example, if you want a YouTube live stream, you can choose YouTube. If you want a Vimeo live stream, you can use Vimeo. And if you want Founderhood's built-in stream provider, you can choose Founderhood Interactive. After that, all you have to do is copy the link and share it for the people to join. In the Previous Lives tab, you can keep all the previous live streams with their links. Now, to start a session with Founderhood Interactive, all you have to do is go to the live and start the session. Now, join the session and you are inside the call. You can engage with your participants through the live chat that is under the call. To support your founders' growth, you can create an educational library with educational material around startups or anything else that you want through the library button here. And as you can see, you can add as many materials as you want. To offer more value to your founders, you can choose the Perks button and add to your program perks, discounts, and offers from your external party. All you have to do is add the name of the company, their logo, describe what the perk is, add a link below, and create a new perk. In the View All tab, you can see some examples from previous parts. To engage even more with your founders, you can create an internal forum inside your program. You can create different and as many channels as you want, and then go ahead and create a new post. Choose the channel that you want your post to be in, your question, and your content, and you just post it. The internal forum is there to help you boost more the community side of your program. In a very similar way, you can create announcements directly from Founderhood that will be sent to your founders. All you have to do is write the announcement in this text input and choose if you want to notify your participants or not. You click Save and your announcement is sent. By clicking on the Email button in your navigation bar, you can directly send emails to your founders from the Founderhood platform. All you have to do is choose a specific list of people to send your email. For example, you can choose your program or a specific group that you have created inside your program. If I want to choose all my founders, I will click my main program. I have the option to select a template like a basic announcement. And you can also personalize those emails by copying and pasting the tags below. To create a template, all you have to do is click on the Templates tab, write the name of your template, a subject and the content of your template, and click Save. Now, if you go back to the email, you can select your template through the templates list. An engaging startup program also includes mentors and experts. In order to invite experts and mentors in your program, all you have to do is click on the Send an Invitation button, select if you want to invite a mentor or an expert, and write the email and send your invitation. Now, your mentors and experts will be automatically invited in your programs. To track your experts' performance, you can click on the Expert Calls button and click Expert Meetings Analytics. In this dashboard, you can see all the data regarding your experts' calls, track your financials regarding your experts, and have a general overview around the completed and upcoming calls of your experts. From the Expert Calls section here, You can also choose categories and create as many categories of experts that you have or you want. As you can see some examples here, an expert is listed based on their category, their industries, and their skills. Now, it's time to check what our startups are doing. By clicking on the Startups button in our navigation bar, you will find a list of all your startups in your program. From here, you have the option to manage your startup. Let's see an example. On the Overview tab, you have some general information that you or their mentor have set with the startup for this collaboration. You can see here the completed and the incompleted tasks of the startup. Here you can find those tasks, add more tasks by clicking on this button, and mark as completed the tasks that are done. Moreover, you can engage with the founders through the Discussions tab, and as you can see also their mentors can do the same. You can track their meetings from the Meetings tab and create a new meeting if you want. Lastly, from the Settings tab, you can select which mentor you want the startup you have. Now that we have set up our program and our startups are running, let's go check the overall progress of our program. If we click on the Progress button on our navigation bar, you can see here a lot of statistics and data that you can gather about your startups. All these charts and data can help you stay in track and track all your KPIs of your program. By clicking on the Updates Form tab, you can create a form that you can send to your founders and gather all the information that you need. As you can see here, this is an example of a form that you can create to gather valuable information about your startup. You can add as many fields as you want, and of course, preview the form to see how it looks. And of course, in order to be able to evaluate properly your program, you will need all the data you can get. With Founderhood, you can get detailed reports with information about your startups, your users, and an overall progress report of your program. You can simply download those reports by clicking on the Download button.